Hello guys, welcome to this video, and you've done a very good job sticking around to this period in this course. And in this video I just want to do a quick recap of everything that we've covered so far in this course. So we've started with setting up the environment and also setting up our Express, installing Express and starting our Express server. And we've also dealt with routing, how to create multiple routes, how to enable our Express server to listen on multiple routes, how to handle route parameters or listen for route parameters. We've also treated route matching, so I can use regular expressions to help our Express to handle the user request better. So we've also dealt with query parameters and route parameters. Then we've also treated HTTP methods. We've treated the get, post, put, patch, and delete methods. We've also seen how we can use middlewares and how middlewares can come in handy with Express. And we've used an example. We've used some middlewares in our Express course. During this course, we've used some built-in middlewares. We've used the express.jsort, express.url encoded, and express.static. Then we've also dealt with view engines. So we rendered front-end files to our user through the help of view engines, and the view engine we used in this course specifically was EJS view engine. So you've seen how we can set up our Express to use view engines to render files to the, or to render front-end files to the client, front-end templates to the client. um, we've also talked about how we can work with static files on Express. So files like our style sheets, images, and audio, video assets, and even HTML files can be used as static resources on our website and can be sent or made available to the user via using the Express static middleware. So we've also done that, and we've also treated how to upload files, how to submit forms to our server, and also how to upload files to our Express server using the Motor package. So that's pretty much what we've done during this course, what we've covered during this course, and we're not done yet. There's still a lot to be done to be treated in the Express. Probably this course is not going to cover everything, but what we've done so far is enough to get you started with Express. So if you're looking at starting a new project with Express, then what we've done so far should be able to help you to get up on your feet and start working with Express. In the next video, we are going to build an application with Express and Node.js. So we're going to build a stock record keeping application with Express. So we're going to handle CRUD operations. We're going to handle form submission. We're going to handle dynamic rendering of EJS files, and amongst other things. So stick around to the end of this course and you're going to fully benefit from the coming video or from these projects that we're going to work on, because we're going to be dealing with some things that we haven't, or probably not, might not have talked about during this course. So we will be using them during the projects that we'll be working together on. So please make sure you stick around to the end of this course, and also leave a like on this video if you find it helpful on this course, if you find it helpful, and also subscribe to this channel if you're not done so. I'll catch you in the next video where I'll be working on the project. So see you there.